What's up guys, what's happening, what's going on? Actually nothing, because yesterday Ramaphosa announced that it's level 4 and absolutely nothing is going to happen. Nothing, just nothing, no car meets, no nothing, no gatherings or anything like that. I did a thing to my car, okay? Because we all know in the pursuit of getting the duck of somebody, not going to mention names, I need to power up on this car. Now, for as long as I've had this car, it had this drone that's like inside. I actually speak about it in my other video when I removed the first cat, which was the middle cat. It comes out to be that it's actually the first cat. Now the first cat is not as easy to remove because of where it sits in the motor. It has a sensor after it, so you need to get a Fuller or a mini cat just to get that out of the way so you don't have any codes. I did that. Here it is. Running out of speed. No engine light to it. Oh, we'll see. Started up, it's still noisy in here, so I can't really tell you how it sounds inside. So far the car sounds quiet, but we'll see now. Oh shit. Oh, prepare your duck, that's it, here we go. So anyways, I went to Bucks. He's close to me, he's like close to my area, and I phoned him, I'm like, listen, do it for me. And I had some free time, so I went because I don't get a lot of free time, dad things. And then yeah, so it sounds different. There's way more power than before. I did do a like a timed run. I used my logging thing, and I'm literally the same time, but it was on wet road, and the last time I did the pool was on dry road. So there is a difference. North 100 is 8.6 or 8.7 seconds, 8.9 seconds, that's North 100, and then when the wet was 8.9. That's in the wet with a whole lot of wheel spin at the beginning. So, oh yeah, there's wheel spin now. So let's go see. Let's have some fun. Yeah, let's get some. Fiddly bits. Okay, so first of all, let's do a drive-by so you can hear the difference. But you know what it sounded like when I had the charger thing, so let's just do a drive-by quick. One thing I do notice is more exhaust smell, something I haven't smelled before. So if you do remove your cats, that's the one thing you gotta look out for. So yeah, this is the thing, it's an M271 motor, and when I think the timing chain went, it did something to overfuel the car and it messed up the catalytic converter. You shouldn't be going through catalytic converters at all for any reason. Catalytic converters, when treated well, they should keep you a very, very long time. So don't think, I have to change my cat. The only reason I took the cats out because it was blocked. You can see it was bent. You can see that, listen here, that's wrong. Online, the car is a freak lot of fun now. So yeah guys, that's kind of my experience with removing the cats. The first cat gave it a little bit of a power, but that wasn't the cat that was blocked. You could actually hear when I'm in some of my videos when I'm driving, you can hear there's a sound That sound is gone now. Okay, that sound was the clack. That sound was the cat being blocked, and that led to that sound. And I know it makes a lot of sense now, because as the car got very warm, like when I say warm, I mean I'm driving it for a bit, and I actually want to mash on it, it just would die. There'd be like no power at all. And now it's like just power. Not a lot of power, but there is quite a bit of power that I'm not used to. It is raining, so the roads are wet, and I need to really control the arse. And this tire is actually quite grippy, whereas the Continentals I had before this were like super slippery, but they were old. That would explain why. They were kind of almost finished and they were old, so like slippery. So my advice is, when you do get it changed, what I had changed was I took the first catalytic converter out, so it's totally out now. The is it lambda sensor, whatever sensor after the catalytic converter, they put a fooler there. It's a catalytic fooler and catalytic converter sensor fooler, whatever. I don't have an engine light. I think that's very important. Like, you don't want an engine light, and I didn't want an engine light, and I was wondering, will the fooler even work for the engine light? It did work. I have no engine light. So if you do take out the first cat, put a fooler in. You can put a mini cat in, but I have no experience with the cats, I don't know. But now that I have all the cats out, you can actually smell there's like fumes now from the car, something I haven't smelled before, because the catalytic converter stopped all of that. But now I have like no converter, so I have the first cat taken out, the second cat taken out. You've seen that video. If you haven't, go back and then you'll see. And then I have the resonator. Just before the end, there's a resonator, and at the back is a box where the tailpipe comes out of. That's all that's on the car. The car is still kind of quiet when I drive it. There's no drone, nothing. So yeah, that's my experience. Car's a lot of fun now, and I really need to get that bra on the road so that I can, remove his duck for him nicely, set it aside. And I hope this answers your question, if what do I do if I straight pipe the car. This isn't straight piped. It's technically straight piped till the resonator, but so much fun. The car is so much fun now. So much fun, skidding all over the place. It's just so good. So I gotta take it very easy, because the moment I put down, it starts to go. Thank you for watching, and please like the video, subscribe if you haven't. But yeah, anyways, I'm out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.